Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to study about the photoelectric effect, and if I may allow, I would like to call the Hertz who gave the unit of the frequency the father of photoelectric effect. And why I'm saying so let me elaborate on this one. In the late 19th century, a man named Hertz gave us a experiment. Actually, he observed something really interesting, like in metals electrons are getting excited in ultraviolet light. When you put ultraviolet light, UV radiation, electron get excited, and in most of the cases electron jumps out from the orbit and stays there in the surrounding. So this is the Hertz observation, and that fascinated him because he then calculated the surrounding area. It gets negatively charged, and the metal itself gets the positively charged. So something is happening here, and this was the first founding point where he got an idea that every metal lose electrons on a point if enough UV radiation falls upon it, and that gave an entire new generation of the Nobel Prize winners as well as the theory makers who worked upon the photoelectric effect. And even these days the devices like our solar cells, photodiodes, and even LEDs works on this principle. So how powerful it is, you can imagine that now. So in the metals, he took and observed that this works upon the sodium, cesium, and other such metals. So that you can remember a keyword here for this his work. The keyword here is the investigation on spark discharge. Spark discharge. This is exactly what he observed. Well, there is very simple analogy for this that I would like to explain. Whenever electron comes out, we usually see the spark. Even in the pole, if you have ever seen the electric pole, sometimes shows the spark in the wires or in the transformer. That is due to the electrons emission, the charges emission. So that is the simple spark discharge, and this made this man that curious that he made the entire theory upon that. But he did not able to take it for so long, so someone new has to come. So stick with me to know who came in this story next. Take care. God